the quiet meadow at the edge of dawn, a man stands still as the veil is drawn. Shimmers of light drift around his view, hints of something ancient and true. Leaves begin to murmur soft and low, voices rising where the wildflowers grow. A gentle stirring in the morning air reveals a world he never knew was there. Nature spirits calling from the hidden light, guiding his heart with their presence bright. Whispers rising in the open sky, showing him truths that once passed him by. Awakening senses he had tucked away, leading him to a brand new way. He feels the pulse of the earth beneath, a quieter in the roots and leaves. Shapes of wonder dance before his eyes, painting magic underneath the skies. The unseen speaks with a subtle tone, a sacred language he's never known. Through this awakening he learns to see a world alive with mystery. Nature spirits calling from the hidden light, guiding his heart with their presence bright. Whispers rising in the open sky, showing him truths that once passed him by. Awakening senses he had tucked away, leading him to a brand new